Since last 3 years, I've been traveling regularly. Traveling like a tourist and just seeing places is one thing. But traveling for the Guru, traveling for the sadhana, traveling for satsang, it's way much different than just visiting places. During these years, I spent most of my time at Isha Yoga Center for learning Hatha Yoga and traveled all across Bharat for satsang. And finally, after this long, I'm back home. Nothing much has changed here. Everything is pretty much the same. Same neighborhood, same people. Just the perspective to look at these same things has changed. So ever since the training, I knew that once I'm back home, I want to create content. And to create content, I wanted some awesome support. And to have some awesome support, you need a person who is fully empty and has nothing to do in life. Nilesh! Oh Nilesh! So he is my childhood and the dearest friend I've ever got in my life.
तू आ गया युवराज? अच्छा रुक आया मैं.
And I decided to give him a wonderful career. ये ड्रोन, ये ले मैकबुक, ये रख अपना फोन. आज से तू मेरा फिल्म मेकर. So whenever we open YouTube, Instagram or any other social media platform, somewhere we are always looking for some sort of entertainment. I want to bring well-being into everyone's life with entertainment. And I have a wonderful friend of mine from the training. She had a high-paying job, luxurious house, everything whatever is needed to live a happy and joyful life. Like according to Indians. Leaving all this behind, she decided to learn yoga and come to ashram and move inwards. And I wanted my friends to learn something from her. And I wanted to share this same journey with you people so that even you are inspired to bring some aspect of yoga into your daily life.
I feel undeserving and very deserving at the same time.
Hatha Yoga Teacher.
Very grateful to be here actually. I was initially a little bit, excited, nervous because it's my first class, but it was a really wonderful experience. It was a very eye-opening experience for me because I had to search within myself to really be able to just bring myself back to why I'm doing this and why I'm here. And then just looking at everyone's faces was, I think, the thing that calmed me down because I could tell that everyone was there to learn something and that I could be there to offer that through Sadhguru. And then just looking at his photo, knowing that he was there with me as well, that really put me at ease. And even though there were some hiccups here and there, having the support of two other wonderful, lovely teachers was something I'll never forget. The learning never stops, and this was a wonderful first class of learning experience, and I'm excited to keep offering these sessions and just, yeah.
I wanted to improve physically. For first, it was like I wanted to drop some weight. That's why I started doing Surya Kriya. But eventually, it did something better inside me. Like it was very deep. I am always a jumble, and it was so clear for me. It had me like, wow, why didn't I do this earlier, man?
it was very easy to focus while I was receiving the Surya Kriya.
It was very special to me. I just felt very blissful at that time, and like I was not very stable. But after Surya Kriya, when I started my mandala, everything started to settle down. Everything got better. It was really amazing for me.
In other things, my sometimes mind runs away, but it was so natural to able to just be in that moment and able to receive.
My experience has been really welcoming, really amazing. Just even from the welcome at the airport, being greeted by such lovely people. I've never been greeted like that before, welcomed anywhere. Yeah, being in Pune has been a really welcoming, heartwarming experience ever since I touched down. Everyone that I've been in contact with, Ishita, you have all been very warm. Everything that I need has been taken care of, and even more.
It's not spicy. Very sweet. Very sweet. Very sweet. Sweet. Egg bite. Actually. No spice. It's not spicy. ऐसा मिर्ची नहीं रहता आएगा तिखट नहीं है बिल्कुल दिखा नहीं है everyone is eating chili it's very sweet बिल्कुल दिखा नहीं है लग रहा है this spicy no have a bigger bite How is it? Way too spicy? If you are still watching this video, make sure you go down and comment #UVFam so that I'll know that you have become the official member of UV family. Basically, I want to know that you're still watching this video or maybe you just got bored and left. Anyways, you can also comment down your thoughts, your questions. I'll be very happy to answer all your questions. Also, I'll try to keep on upgrading my skills so that I can bring high quality, super entertaining content for just you people. And the way I've been upgrading my equipments, I don't think so that this day is much far away.
मदद कर दो, भगवान आपकी मदद करेगा।
आदि योगी के नाम पे दे दो भैया।